Well, guess what? You're in luck. 2 hours later, and voila, here's a bag of rocks. Same ones as before. Because I have a full bag here, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do around here, but because I have these, I looked at the other bowl on the other side, and it's very light with the blue pebble rocks. And so I'm going to take some of these over there. So I'm going to take those out. I'm going to put some of these other river rocks at the bottom because you don't need to have this all full of these. Okay, so we're going to make do with what we have. And I'll be right back with you and show you more. Yeah, I have to take those blue rocks out. I gotta be careful because this is the only bag I got now, right? And that's gonna help. I think that's good. What do you think, Harvard?
That's perfect.
Okay, and I can put my other rocks in here. Be careful with this because if you just throw them in, you could break this.
It's like a puzzle piece, huh?
Yeah. Okay. How's that looking? Is that good?
That's good. Yeah, very good.
See, now I got a few extra rocks. And camera woman, you're gonna walk over to the other
I am walking.
Okay. We're a little short over here. Well, this one now looks pretty good. I wonder if I should keep those over there, huh? How's that looking?
It looks full.
That looks full?
Yeah.
I think I should put these back over.
I would.
Okay. This one looks good too. There we go. Curve this around.
I thought you were putting those little ones underneath the pot, so you're not just
The
around
little ones
it.
are underneath the pot already.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna add some so that you can kind of see this, right?
Gotcha. Okay.
Like that. You think a few rocks go a long ways, but one bag of rocks like this doesn't go very far, so you just have to be kind of mindful. You're almost done with 2 bags of rocks.
Are you gonna have enough?
Well,
Cutting it short there, sir.
you know. Man. Good Lord. You see all this here? Now we're just gonna move this back a little bit. You know what? We can just extend this down to however far the rocks go. We don't necessarily have to go to the back side of the wall. Okay. I want a few more of this direction. Just work with what you have. If you have extra, you can kind of make a little contour thing here, but we don't really have that, do we? We just barely have enough as it is just to go to there, I think. I think that's all we're gonna do. You know, it's gonna
That's
go.
good.
It's gonna go to nothing right there. I can gently push this back, get this out of there. There we go. I think we've done it, by Joe. I think we've done it. Okay, I think that's all she wrote, folks. Okay? Hey, have fun with your project, and I'll see you next time.